current account. It is a part of partnership business account. In our previous lesson, we explained how to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account here. If you did not watch this video, I recommend you watch it and you come back here. Otherwise, many things you will not understand. You know, it is very common, very important topic in your exam. Every accounting exam series, you will see some question from the partnership business account. So we decided to show you now how to prepare a current account. For your better understanding, we have taken a question from 2023 IGCSE O-level accounting and past papers. So let us see the question first. Anika and Darius are in partnership. The partnership agreement provides the following. So we have here interest on capital, drawings and salaries and other things. Okay. Then here we have capital account balances. Anika and Darius, same current account balances. Here Anika's balance is $2,600. It is a debit balance, and Darius' balance is $4,745. It is a credit balance. Okay. So now from this information, we will prepare the current account for Anika. Okay. So here we have two partners, but I'll show you here only for Anika. If you understand Anika, I believe you can do for Darius also. Okay. Because structure steps all are same. Just you need to know where to write the things here given on the question. Okay. So here we have prepared profit and loss appropriation account. So here what we added? We added interest on drawings, interest on capitals and salary. Okay. So finally we have calculated profit share. So these things will appear here in the partner's current account. Okay. So here don't forget, on the debit side we will take only drawings and interest on drawings. Okay. For credit side we will take all the expenses like interest on capital, salary. Okay. And profit share will appear here in this side. So this is same for all the question. Okay. So here now let us write. So first item of this account is opening balance. Okay. Balancing figure. So in this question we have current account balance. If we have, you write. If you don't have, you don't need to write. Okay. So here on the question we see current accounts balance at 1st May 2022. So here we see Akila, it is $2,600. It is a debit balance, and Darius, it is $4,745. It is a credit balance. Okay. So we are doing Akila. So we will take Akila's balance. Okay. $2,600. It is a debit balance. So don't be confused. Debit balance will appear on the debit side. Okay. These three columns are debit columns. Okay. Debit side, and credit balance will appear on the credit side here. Okay. In the question, if debit and credit, nothing is mentioned with the amount, with the opening balance, then what to do? In this case, you will consider this balance as a debit balance. Okay. You will write on the debit side. So here Akila's balance is debit balance. We will come to the debit side and we will write the date first. Okay. So it is 2022 May 1st. We will write here balance BD, stands for brought down. Okay. So here amount is $2,600. Great. Then I said we will write drawings and interest on drawings on the debit side, interest on capital, salary and profit share on the credit side. Yeah. So we have here interest on drawings. It is Akila's balance. We see here $970. So let us write the date first, 2022. We will write here April 30, the last day of the financial period. So we will write here interest on drawings. Okay. So here we calculated $970. So in this account, profit and loss appropriation account does not include drawing. So we will see on the question what is our drawings. So drawings for the year ended 30 April 2023. So here we see Aquila, it is $19,400, and Darius, it is $16,320. So we are doing Aquila. We will take Aquila's balance. It is $19,400. So let us write here drawings. 19,400. Okay, great. So we have nothing on the debit side. Now we will go to the credit side. We will write the credit items. So date first, 2023, April 30, the last day of the financial period. Don't forget to write the date, because dates carry mark. Okay, if you don't write the date, you have to lose mark. So be careful. So we will include here, first of all, interest on capital. Okay, let us write here. So here we calculated Aquila's interest. It is $2,700. So let us write here $2,700. Okay, then here Aquila received salary, right? It is $9,500. So we will write here salary as well, $9,500. Okay, the last item I told you, it is profit share. Yeah, so here Aquila's profit share is 17,964. So let us write here profit share 17,964. Point to be noted. If it is a loss share, then where to appear? Where to write? You will write up on the debit side. Okay, here loss share. Don't forget, always you will not have profit share. Okay, when you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so we finished writing all the things here. Now what to do? Now we need to balance it. Yeah, so how to balance it? We have to check which column is greater, the debit dollar columns or credit dollar columns. So here we see our credit dollar columns is greater. Yeah, so let us sum up here first. So we get here $30,164. This is the addition here. Okay, so we will take this amount, the addition on the debit side, means the opposite side. Okay, so here we will transfer this amount, 30,164. If this column is greater, then we will sum up here first. Then we will take this amount to the credit side. Okay, don't forget, many of you make mistake when you balance the account in the exam. So if you understand today, I hope you will not make mistake. So we will write here now difference. Yeah, so we will subtract this all three amounts from this total. Okay, so what we get if we subtract? So here we see it is $7,194. Okay, so this is our closing balance. We write this balance as balance CD, stands for carried down. So date for balance CD, you know, it is last day of the financial period. So 2023 April 30. Okay, so this will be also 2023. Okay, now we need to bring down the balance. How to bring down? So here we have balance CD on the debit side. We will go to the opposite side. Opposite side means balance credit side. So we will write here balance BD. So we got here $7,194. Okay, so we need to write the date for balance BD. So what date? So for balance BD, date will be the first day of next financial year. Okay, so here financial period ends on 30 April 2023. So new financial will be started on 1st May. Okay, after April it is May. So we will write here 2023 May 1st. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare the current account. If you understand this one, you can prepare all current accounts. Okay, so here I explained you Aquila's account. Now by yourself you prepare Darius account.